Your spine is a marvel of complex engineering, a flexible yet sturdy column that houses the spinal cord, supports your body, and enables you to move. Unfortunately, it's also a common source of pain and discomfort. Back and neck pain are among the most prevalent reasons people seek medical care, and the root cause often lies in the spine's intricate structure. Spinal health is essential for overall well-being, affecting everything from posture and mobility to mental clarity and stress levels. If neglected, the spine can face a range of serious medical problems, including chronic back and neck pain, herniated discs, spinal stenosis where the spinal canal narrows and puts pressure on the nerves, arthritis which causes inflammation and degeneration of the joints, and osteoporosis which weakens bones and makes them prone to fractures. In severe cases, spinal neglect can even lead to spinal cord injuries with potentially debilitating consequences. These conditions can significantly impact mobility, quality of life, and overall well-being. Thankfully, there are several effective ways to take care of your spine, both preventative and therapeutic. Start by strengthening and conditioning the muscles that support your spine. A physical therapist can prescribe targeted exercises to build core strength, improve spinal stability, and release tension. Regular exercise boosts circulation, delivering vital nutrients to the spine and promoting overall fitness. Maintaining a healthy weight also reduces unnecessary strain on the spinal structures. Avoiding smoking is crucial, as nicotine constricts blood vessels, limiting oxygen and nutrients to the delicate spinal tissues. Also consider an anti-inflammatory diet, with ample fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, while minimizing processed foods, red meat, and refined sugars. Pay attention to your posture and daily habits. Prolonged sitting or standing in one position can stress your spine, so strive for frequent breaks and movement shifts. Invest in a supportive office chair and consider a standing desk to reduce the amount of time spent in a seated posture. When lifting objects, prioritize proper form, bending your knees and engaging your legs to avoid straining your back. Choose supportive footwear and consider custom orthotics if you have foot or posture issues that could impact your spinal alignment. Sleep is essential for spinal restoration, so ensure your mattress and pillows keep your spine comfortably aligned throughout the night. Finally, don't ignore signs of spinal trouble. While most back and neck pain will resolve with self-care and rest, persistent or severe discomfort may signal a more serious issue that needs medical attention. Don't hesitate to consult your doctor or a spine specialist if necessary. In many cases, physical therapy will offer effective relief without invasive procedures or surgery. Massage therapy can work wonders to ease tension, boost circulation, and reduce inflammation in the back and surrounding muscles, while water-based exercise provides a gentle alternative for those experiencing acute pain. Remember, your spine works hard every day. Prioritizing its care is a direct investment in your health, comfort, and overall quality of life.